Okay, so like here is Patchwork Plus's first aid kit. I don't know about you, but the fingernails, the drying of the fabric, I always get hangnails or my nail cracks. So you have to have an emery board, and Riley Blake has the cutest ones. They have this really cool fabric designs on them. Great to have in your purse, have it at the bathroom, have it at the sewing, because can you tell I never can find something when I want it, so I have it those three places: in my purse, at my sewing machine, and in the restroom. So these are great to have, great gifts.
And they're inexpensive, so you can buy a lot of them.
Unfortunately, I have damaged myself in sewing. I have sewn over some fingers and with a long arm, and I've also chopped off my fingertips. So all this is to say is you need to have Band-Aids available. And you know, as cute as Little Mermaid Band-Aids are, it's a lot more fun to have sewing Band-Aids. So we have really cool sewing Band-Aids and emery boards here because these things come in handy.
And also on those days when you're not quite feeling up to snuff and you can't go to work, but you can still sew, you need your sewing themed Kleenexes. And these are the perfect size that you can put them in your purse. You can stick them in your actual little sewing kits that you carry with you.
Oh, or just
and you can put your Band-Aids in your sewing kits.
In your sewing kits. And also, they're cool to have in the car so that when your sewing friends go, oh, do you have a Kleenex? You go, yes, I do, sewing Kleenexes.
Do you want the one with sewing machines, or do you want the one with notions?